How can I iterate over rows in a Pandas DataFrame in Python? Introduction. In Python, the most popular library for working with tabular data is Pandas. A Pandas table is called a DataFrame. Example: import Pandas as PD. df equals PD DataFrame. Name: John, Alice. Age: 25, 30. DataFrames are widely used in data analysis, machine learning, ETL pipelines, reporting systems, backend data processing. A very common beginner question is, how can I iterate over rows in a Pandas DataFrame? This topic explains how row iteration works, iterrows, itertuples, performance considerations, vectorization, best practices, common mistakes. This is a fundamental Pandas concept. Important warning first. In Pandas, row iteration is usually not the preferred approach. Pandas is optimized for vectorized operations, column-based processing. Whenever possible, prefer vectorized operations instead of manual loops. Example: DataFrame. Import Pandas as PD. df equals PD DataFrame. Name: John, Alice, Bob. Age: 25, 30, 22. Method 1. Iterrows. Most common beginner approach.
Example for index row in df.iterrows.
Print index, row name. Output: 0 John, 1 Alice, 2 Bob. What iterrows returns? Each iteration returns index, series, where. Check index equals row index. Row equals Pandas series object. Internal concept DataFrame row. Convert to series, convert during iteration, accessing multiple columns for index, row in df.iterrows. Print, row name, row age. Method 2, itertuples, faster. Recommended when iteration is necessary. Example for row in df.itertuples. Print, row.name, row.age. John, 25, Alice, 30, Bob, 22. Why itertuples is faster. Unlike iterrows. Check avoids creating series objects. Check uses lightweight tuples. Performance comparison. Method speed. Iterrows slower. Itertuples faster. Vectorized operations fastest. Example with named tuples. Itertuples returns objects like ca. Pandas index equals 0, name equals John, age equals 25. Method 3. Convert to dictionary. Example: records equals df.toDict records. For row in records. Print, row name. Example output: John, Alice, Bob. Why convert to dictionaries? Useful for JSON APIs, serialization, backend processing, vectorized operations. Preferred. Instead of iteration. df age plus 1 equals df age plus 1. Avoid. For index row in df.iterrows, why vectorization is better. Pandas internally uses copy populated NumPy operations, low-level C implementations. Result: check much faster processing. Real-world example: sending emails for row in df.itertuples. Send email, row.name, row.age. Useful when external actions are required. Filtering example: without loops, instead of for row in df.iterrows. Prefer adults equals df age equals 18. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Using row iteration for everything. Pandas is designed for CUX, vectorized processing, X, heavy Python loops. 2. Modifying rows inside iterrows. Example: for index row in df.iterrows. Row age equals 100. Does not reliably modify DataFrame. Correct approach: use df lock index age equals 103, expecting iterrows to be fast. Large data frames can become slow. 4. Forgetting itertuples exists, often significantly faster. Performance considerations. Approximate ranking. Vectorized operations, itertuples, iterrows, best practices. Curse. Prefer vectorized operations. Use itertuples if iteration needed. Avoid modifying rows directly during iteration. Use .loc for updates. Avoid unnecessary Python loops on large datasets. Advantages of itertuples. Faster, memory efficient, cleaner syntax, lightweight objects. Simple definition data frame. A two-dimensional, labeled table structure in Pandas. Simple definition, iterrows. A Pandas method that iterates through data frame rows as index, series pairs. Simple definition, itertuples. A Pandas method that iterates through rows as lightweight tuples. Final summary. To iterate over data frame rows in Pandas, using iterrows for index row in df.iterrows. Print row name. Faster approach using itertuples for row in df.itertuples. Print row name. However, Pandas usually performs best with, quote, vectorized operations instead of manual row iteration. Key idea. Use vectorized operations whenever possible, and prefer itertuples over iterrows when row iteration is necessary.